Dynojet model 224 chassis dyno. It's a pit dyno. The drum is 24 inches in diameter. And we've mounted a starting system on it. We've been building these since 1992 on various model chassis dynos. Designed for sprint cars, midgets, legend cars, cup cars, anything that needs assistance in starting or a push start vehicle. So the ratio is really important, and it's pretty simple. It just uses a pair of go-kart tires and a gearbox, which is the biggest trick to the whole project. And then we use a C-face motor, so it's all one clean unit that's mounted, and it runs off of basically just a brake chamber that's actuated by a 120 volt Humphrey switch simultaneously when the motor starts. So we're going to give you a little, I'm just test firing here, but I'm going to give you a little example of how that just flies and releases, just like that. Okay, you can turn that on, Scott. And then when you shut it off, the drum will continue to run, and you'll hit the brakes, whatever operator's running it. So we'll do it one more time. Brakes off. Brakes off. Okay, hit her.